So guys, welcome to my video. And in this video, I want to show you about the Livewire of the flow from the Rafael. In the Livewire course, in episode 1, instructor summary and teaching highlight. In the first session of this Livewire course, I introduced of the Livewire framework, focusing on its unique ability to build dynamic front-end components by using primarily PHP, thereby significantly reducing the rest of JavaScript. Its beginner-friendly lesson laid a foundation for students to understand how to build interactive components within the Laravel ecosystem. And here, from the component on of a Livewire, here the form for building powerful form and tables, and here charts, image upload, and so many more. Okay, why Livewire? Pick a session overview first. For session overview, I explain how Livewire enables developer to create responsive and interactive ULS without needing to write extensive JavaScript code. The session was designed to support entry for developers, guiding them through the basic setup and usage of Livewire with practical demonstration. Second, key teaching points. Introducing to Livewire. Livewire is a Laravel package that allows the development of dynamic user interfaces using PHP alone. I emphasize how this support approach streamlines development for those already familiar with Laravel. Simplicity and practicality. Livewire is particularly well suited for creating simple interactive features like search bar, forms, and real-time updates, features commonly required in modern web apps. And fourth, installation and setup. I want student to installing a file via Composer, like in here. Click start, and this is installation with Composer. Okay. Um, for the component-based architecture, we explore Livewire component structure, emphasizing how each component manages its set behavior from multimodal maintain canonical. User interaction handling. Students learn how to define and wire up methods for interactive behavior, such as handling button clicks using Livewire PHP methods. Ajax behind the scenes. A key takeaway was how Livewire abstract away the complexity of Ajax requests, allowing PHP code to dynamically update the UI without full patch reload. Educational value and strategy. Front-end without JavaScript. By leveraging PHP for interactivity, Livewire lowers the barrier of entry for development for front-end development. This is ideal for learners who are already comfortable with back-end development but hesitant to dive into JavaScript frameworks. Modular thinking. Introducing component early encourage students to think in small, reusable units and essential mindset for building scalable application. And next, for real-time UX. Demonstrating real-time feedback like button clicks, updating UI helps students understand the power of asynchronous interactions without needing complex JavaScript code. Developer productivity. I highlighted how Livewire enhances productivity by letting developers focus on PHP logic, eliminating the eliminating the need to manually configure Ajax call or cell management. Next, teams capability. For organizations already using Laravel, Livewire provide Livewire provide an efficient way to scale teams with PHP developer, reducing training overhead on the front-end technologies. And next, engagement and follow-up. I encourage participants to ask questions like and subscribe for the support of the course and foster community interaction. Okay, and here I was create some Laravel project, and uh, and now I want to run this command for in this project. Okay, Okay, guys, and here we have done from the installation of the Livewire, and now I want to show you maybe the basic component in here. Okay, basic component is this is clicker, button clicker for the UI Livewire. Okay, and this is the command is design Livewire make clicker. Okay, here, and you can check on the Livewire clicker. Okay, and here I want to show you. Okay, so here this project. Here's a project like a basic um views on the Laravel project. And here I want we we use of the Laravel version 10 and PHP version 8. Okay, and here for the UI of the welcome and here, and I want to show you how to clicker can play in here. Okay, for the first I want to create this. So okay guys, and here I have created for the example component for clicker. And this is a clicker for clicker UI. This is for the in the example. In this program, I just create this for the file name clicker. This is we get from this name of file. Okay, and in this function, yes, create the function for the clicker is name clicker, and uh, if we click that button, we can get this dump button clicker. Okay, and here I just create for wire click that, and we get this from the function of the uh, clicker. Okay, and here fresh button clicker. You see? Okay, okay, maybe in the first video, this is for introduction and for one component basic. Uh, maybe for the part two, we can I will learn you about the next component like a form table or combination. See you next time in the next video, and bye bye.